Sveiki visi! I'm very happy to announce that I have finally published my new course, Understanding Lithuanian Cases, which focuses only on cases, as the name implies, and this time we're going to take a look at table of contents and let's see what's inside the course. So, as you probably know, we're going to cover all the cases for nouns, pronouns, adjectives, numerals, and participles. I wanted to make this course as complete as possible, and also I gathered lots of examples and put them into exercises so you can drill the endings and usage of each case. So for example, how does each chapter look like? So for example, you will have explanations about how to use cases with examples and so on. Then we're going to have declension tables for nouns, pronouns, and other parts of the speech. We're going to have a dialogue for each case just to illustrate the usage. And then the most important part are exercises. So for example, here you have lots of different exercises and sentences where you have to drill the endings of the cases, and you can have answers in the answer sheet at the end of this book. What is more, I also translated these sentences and I made flashcards. So each chapter has a flashcard set. For example, let's check this one. So you have almost every word translated, and you can learn them as you go through the course. For example, you have Lithuanian and English translation, and I even recorded the pronunciation.
Persikelti į.
To move to.
Yes, so you can actually play with these flashcards. You can write, spell, test, or have some plays, and that's a good addition to the course. Yes, what's more, if you open the course, you will see 5 dialogues to illustrate case usage, and then you will have the main book, PDF book, and flashcards as a text file, so that you can work with the words the way you want. You can group them, you can sort them alphabetically, and so on. And the last thing that I want to say is that you will be added to my Facebook support group. So if you have any questions regarding the course, you can ask them there and I will help you. I will answer you. So let's hope that I will see you in the inside of this course, and that's it. See you soon. Iki.